In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase or reduce vibrance on a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then search for a photo you want to edit. Then tap on it to open it up, and once it is done, tap right here where it says Edit to turn on Edit mode. And after that, you need to drag it to the left in this way until you find Vibrance. After that, we can configure that tool by dragging it right to increase vibrance and left to reduce it. Once you like the result, tap at Done to save the changes. If later in the future you decide to revert this photo back to original, you can easily do so. Just tap at Edit, Revert, and revert to original. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.